In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Notion databases. We'll explore a couple of different methods so you can choose the one that fits your needs best. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to log into your Notion account. If you haven't already, make sure you have access to both databases that you intend to combine. Once you're logged in and on the Notion dashboard, it's time to begin the merging process. To merge databases in Notion, you can use the Move To feature. Start by deciding which database will act as the target, the one that will receive entries from the other database. When you've figured that out, go to the database you want to merge into the other. Next to the trash icon in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, you'll find a 3 dots menu. Click on this menu and select Move To from the drop-down list. This option helps to keep your databases organized and allows for a seamless merging process. Once you've selected Move To, you'll see a list of pages and databases. Choose the page that contains your target database, then expand it to select the specific database you want to move your entries into. It's a straightforward drag-and-drop process, and once you're done, all entries from the first database should now be in the second one. Check to make sure your data appears correctly before closing any databases, so you're confident the process was successful. Alternatively, if you're only interested in merging specific columns or cells within a database, this can be done with just a few clicks. Start by navigating to the page containing the table you want to alter. Click to select the cells you want to merge. You're going to look again for that 3 dots menu. This time, when you click, choose the Ask AI option from the drop-down. You'll be prompted to give instructions to the AI, so go ahead and tell it to merge those selected cells or columns. Now, once your cells are merged, you'll see an option to accept the changes. Make sure to review the merged columns or cells before you finalize by clicking Accept. This extra step ensures that everything is just as you wanted. And that's it. With these simple methods, you can keep your Notion workspace tidy and efficient by merging databases, columns, or even just individual cells. It's a great way to declutter and ensure all your information is streamlined in one place. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you make the most out of Notion's powerful tools. Feel free to explore more features and become even more organized. Bye for now.